Hello everyone, my name is Katya and today I'm going to show you how to crochet this easy and simple hand warmers. So let's get to it and create something great. For this project I'm using number 4 medium weight yarn. The one I chose is called Ice Cream and it's by Lion brand. You can use any kind of yarn you want as long as it is number 4 medium weight yarn. You're also going to need your 5mm crochet hook, scissors, and a tapestry needle. To start, decide how high you want your hand warmers to be and then measure out the width of your arm because we're going to start working from the top all the way down towards our fingers. The width of my arm is measuring about 7 inches, so I'm going to work 25 chains. So I'm going to start with the slip knot and chain 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to continue chaining until I get to 25 chains. Here I work 25 chains, and what I need to do is, without twisting my chain, I'm going to go ahead and slip stitch right into the first chain right over here. Insert my hook and slip stitch like so. Here we have a ring. And what you can do is, once again, you can go ahead and try it on to make sure it fits. Now that we have our ring formed, let's go ahead and chain 1. Going back into that same chain that we slip stitched into, work 1 single crochet. Work 1 single crochet around. I'm going to work my tail in. So going into my next chain, I'm working 1 single crochet. I'm going to continue and work 1 single crochet around. I should have 25 single crochet at the end of this round. So go ahead and work on your single crochets and I'll meet you at the end of this round. To end round 1, slip stitch into the first single crochet. Round 2, chain 1, work 1 double crochet back into that same stitch. So right in there, work 1 double crochet, work 1 double crochet into the next stitch, 1 double crochet into the following stitches. So all we're doing here is working 1 double crochet around. So continue working and I'll meet you at the end of round 2 to show you what to do next. To end round 2, slip stitch on top of the first double crochet. Now for round 3 all the way to round 15 is a repeat of round 2. So chain 1 and work 1 double crochet back into that same stitch and then work 1 double crochet into the remaining of the stitches. And that's what I'm going to do, is I'm just going to work my double crochets around for round 3 all the way to round 15. And I'll meet you at the end of round 15 to show you what to do next. So continue working and I'll meet you at the end of round 15. Here I worked 15 rounds and this is how it looks like. For round 16, we're going to start the same way. We're going to chain 1 and work 1 double crochet back into the same stitch. And then work 1 double crochet into each stitch around, but leave 5 stitches unworked. So I'm going to continue work my double crochets all around, and then once I come back to this area right over here, I'm going to leave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those stitches unworked, and I'll come back to you and show you what to do next. Here I have 5 stitches unworked, and next thing we're going to do is chain 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and slip stitch back into our first double crochet right over here from the beginning of the round. And now what we did is we made space for our thumb. So go ahead and measure it really quickly to make sure it fits. For round 17, chain 1 and work 1 double crochet back into that stitch and then work 1 double crochet into each stitch around, like so. And then once you get to the chain 5 space, I'll meet back with you to show you what to do to this chain 5 space. So here I'm back at the chain 5 space, and all I'm going to do is work 1 double crochet into those chains. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And to end this round, slip stitch into our first double crochet. For round 18 and 19 is the same repeat of round 2, so chain 1 and work 1 double crochet back into the first stitch, and then work 1 double crochet into each stitch around. So continue working round 18 and 19, and I'll meet you at the end of round 19 to show you what to do next. At the end of round 19, this is how it looks like. Go ahead and try it on and make sure you like the way it fits. Round 20 is our last round, chain 1. Go back into the first stitch and work 1 single crochet and work 1 single crochet around. That's what I'm going to do, is work 1 single crochet around, and I'll meet back with you at the end of this round to show you what to do next. At the end of round 20, let's go ahead and fasten off, cut our yarn. And let's go ahead and weave in our end. We only have 1 so far. So turn your work inside out. So using a tapestry needle, let's go ahead and find any of the stitches that we can on the side. Right over here, I'm only using the back loops. It's not showing in the front. Go ahead and insert your needle and pull. I'm going the opposite direction. I'm going to use different stitches. Going back up, like so. Pull out the needle. And then once again going down, using any of the stitches that you can, like so. Pull your tail, and you can cut the tail now. And you're all done. Last thing we're going to do is work single crochet around the thumb area. Insert your hook into any of the stitches. Go ahead and wrap your yarn around the hook and pull through. I like to hold the tail with my thumb, and using my working yarn, chain 1. Going back into that same stitch, work 1 single crochet, like so. And then work 1 single crochet into each stitch around. I'm working my tail in, so I don't have to worry about it later. On the side, there's one area right over here. I like to work 1 single crochet into that space. Then 1 single crochet right along the double crochet, and then now we're going to be on the top, and then once again just working 1 single crochet into those stitches. Just try your best to find the stitches. You don't want to make it too loose, because then it'll be just wavy. You want it to be kind of tight around your thumb. And then I have one area here. This is the post of the double crochet. I'm just going to insert my hook into that post and work my single crochet. And then all I'm going to do is slip stitch back into the first single crochet that we worked on, and I'm going to fasten off. And I'm going to weave in this end, and you're pretty much done. So go ahead and work on your second pair, same exact way as we did on the first one. and you'll have yourself a set. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!